Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the channel where power, performance, and the future of automotive design come together. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because today, we're bringing you something unbelievable. Ford has officially unveiled the new next-generation 2027 Ford Mustang V8 pickup truck, a machine that combines American muscle heritage with modern utility. This is not just another pickup, this is the rebirth of performance trucks with Mustang DNA. The first thing that hits you is the design. This new Mustang pickup comes with a bold front fascia, aggressive LED headlights, muscular hood lines, and a redesigned grille inspired by the classic Mustang shape. The side profile is aerodynamic and sporty, while the rear keeps the athletic stance alive with C-shaped taillights and a performance-inspired tailgate. Ford has made it clear this is not a work truck. This is a lifestyle performance truck built to dominate the streets and turn heads everywhere it goes. Now let's talk power, because a Mustang without performance is not a Mustang at all. Under the hood, the 2027 Mustang pickup packs a massive V8 engine. Early reports suggest horsepower figures landing between 480 and 550 horsepower, depending on the trim level. This truck is built for acceleration, torque, and raw excitement. With a 10-speed performance transmission, rear-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive, Ford promises track-inspired handling even though it is a pickup. This means drifting, drag racing, and highway dominance are now possible in a utility platform. Inside the cabin, Ford has gone premium. Leather sport seats, a digital cockpit, Mustang-style steering wheel, and a massive touchscreen with next-generation SYNC system create a driver-focused experience. Ambient lighting, premium audio, and modern tech features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a performance telemetry system take the experience to the next level. It feels like a Mustang, not a truck, and that is the point. When it comes to practicality, the bed size is designed for lifestyle use of bikes, gear, luggage, and weekend adventure equipment. This is not meant to replace heavy-duty work trucks. This is for the enthusiast who wants speed Monday to Friday and adventure on the weekend. Ford is targeting a unique audience, muscle car fans who want power with practicality. Price expectations are predicted to start from the mid-$60,000 range and go up to nearly $80,000 for high-spec V8 performance editions. Launch will vary by region, but Ford has confirmed this truck enters production as part of their new performance utility lineup. So what do you think? Has Ford just created the future of muscle trucks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news and upcoming reviews. This is Auto Dynasty, and we'll see you in the next video.